In this quick video, I will show you how to delete search history and browsing data for Safari browser on iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings app and scroll down all the way to the bottom and just tap on apps. And here tap on the search apps box and type here Safari. Open Safari settings. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on clear history and website data, and here select all history. And if you want to clear search history for a specific Safari profile, just select the profile, or you can select all profiles. You can also enable close all tabs and just tap on clear history, and that's how we can delete search history. And now scroll down and tap on advanced, and here tap on website data. And if you see any data available, just go ahead and delete all of them from here. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.